Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian, and as always, welcome to our daily market opening trade here with the DAX. So currently 8:30, and we are looking here at the price of the DAX. Very good recovery after the Dow Jones dropped almost 400 points yesterday. But since then, the stock markets have recovered very well. So in point of news, there are some important market news coming out regarding the Forex and the stock markets. So we do have, let's start at the beginning, at 10 a.m. German time, German unemployment numbers. We do have from America the ADP non-farm employment change at 2:15 German time, and at 2:30 p.m. or German time as well, we have the gross domestic product price, GDP, price. And at 4 p.m. the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So that's going to be very important for all those traders. I'll be back in a couple of minutes when we prepare ourselves for the first market opening trade. Okay, so 8:52, and we are now placing the lines. So I'm clicking on the right hand side, as always, box lines off, and I need to hurry up a little bit. So you see that the range within the first hour of trading is 79 points. Usually we try to place our pending order lines here on the bottom or on the top, or which I'm trying to do now around our big number, or around the big number, which is a 12,700 point mark. Unfortunately, the price is currently trading a couple points below, so I'll need to wait once the price comes here into my box. I'm not going to trade when the price is around here. So now we finally have our trading opportunity. Entry on. Okay, so 4 minutes to go for the market opening, and we are now trading within our preferred box. So the top of the box, the buy pending order, is aligned with the 12,700 mark, big number, as we say, and between the daily pivot. So the price shouldn't stay within the two lines very long, and we expect a nice impulse in around 3.5 minutes. Okay, I'll be back then. So very active trading this morning within the first hour. We are short in our first trade. The red one, sell pending order, has been triggered. Our blue line, and that's it. We are out of the market 3 seconds after 9 a.m. So nice and quick, easy trade. And for the record, let me quickly draw in the trade for you one more time. Entry, exit, and we've earned 0.10% calculated on my account balance. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Have a great trading day. Stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.